Hi, welcome to BananaCrystal. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can apply for your USD debit card on BananaCrystal. Let's get started. For you to apply for your USD debit card on BananaCrystal, the first step to take is to sign in into your dashboard. Scroll down and click on Cards. After clicking on Cards, you will be moved to the next step that indicates you click on Apply for a card on the card landing page. In this page, you will need to scroll to the right and scroll to the left to know the various types of debit card that we have and their key features and the particular card you want to apply for. Scroll to the bottom of the page to read and learn more about the features of this card you want to apply for. After you have read about the features of the debit card you want to purchase, click on Get a Card to start the process of your card application. Before you can proceed with your card application, you will need to fill the application form with your basic and necessary information and click on Next to continue. To continue with your card application, you will need to fill the identity verification form. To do this, upload the profile page of your international passport to proceed. Upload a clear selfie of yourself holding your international passport and also upload a copy of your digital signature. Once you are done doing this, click on Next to proceed. Enter your full mailing address and note this address you entered is the location where your debit card will be delivered to. The final step is for you to review and confirm your application details. Once you have confirmed that there are no errors in your card application, kindly click on Submit Application. Thank you for choosing BananaCrystal.